That's interesting. Say it flat. You just sounded uninterested. The problem is that your language uses flat intonation, and English uses pitch to show emotion. So, if you pronounce English words using flat intonation, it makes you sound bored, rude, even sarcastic. If you desire to sound interested, the pitch goes up at the end. With statements, the pitch goes down at the end. Listen, that's interesting. And here with pitch up, we show genuine interest. And if we say it like that's interesting, you can feel the sarcasm in the flat intonation. It's like a wave you're making with your voice. Really? And now you sound interested. Really? Skeptical. Say this 5 times with pitch variation. That's amazing. I love that idea. Tell me more. A voice goes up when interested. 1 week, melody practice. Let's compare the intonation in these 2 sentences. That's great. I'm excited. This is good. All flat. And that's great. I'm excited. This is good. And here you could notice the pitch variation. In the first one, you sound checked out. In the second one, you sound engaged. You're not being fake. You're following English emotion rules. Now say, that's interesting. Pitch up. Practice melody daily and enjoy your coffee.